Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a good day to all of you. So for today's lab activities, we're going to discuss assignment 1. Okay, you need to do during lab hours. Alright, what you need to do is you need to write a review report. And before you begin with the review, okay, you need to go to author. You need to go to the author and go to the group activity, and then you need to choose assignment 1, where you need to register uh, your group members. So the maximum numbers is 4. So maximum numbers is 4, and there is one group, I believe, going to have 3 members only. Okay, after you're done with that, okay, during lab hours, please identify your groups. I will monitor the progress of your registration group members. Okay, and then you need to choose a topics. Okay, that one I'm going to discuss with this assignment 1. Okay, this project is to be completed in groups of 4 students. So, like I said before, the group of 4 students need to be registered in author under a group activity, and all your assignment going to be uploaded there. Right. So what you need to do is you need to find an articles, whether it is conference proceeding, journals from UTHM library, or any other reliable source for the conference proceeding or journals. Okay, you need to use UTHM library login to have this digital access free for conference and journal. Or maybe you can go to Google Scholars, but Google Scholars only free access, but there is not lots of option for you to find a journal. So you need to write a paper. You need to pick one title. Okay, pick one title. What you need to do is you need to discuss on issues and challenge and review paper based on the topic. Okay, how to write a review paper? You must have all of this article, and then you review them and then put under discussion. So this is the purpose title in your paper. Okay, as you can see, this is just a propose. It doesn't mean you need to follow this, but most of the time, the sequence of the titles that you're going to write is like this. Okay, the first also the introduction, and then we have literature, previous works or ground study, and then we have a methodology, how you conduct your paper. Okay, please Google how to write a literature, and then a review paper, discussion, and then conclusion. Okay, um, you have, I think, more than weeks to finish this. Okay, you need to discuss during the lab hours how to do this. Okay, I don't want you to separate the job and then you compile and then you attach together later on. That is not what I expect you to do. Okay, you need to discuss with your members, and then how to write an article. Okay, so I guess that is the thing that you need to do for the content. Okay, I want to explain a bit about introduction. So introduction is something that have fundamentals or a surface information, okay, about your paper. it's going to include all of that things that has in your title. For example, uh, here I have a literature, I have the methodology. You need to some sort of summarize it or give an explanation in the introduction, including the result. Just for the introduction, you may write content with uh, what chapter and title that has in your paper. Okay, you can when you go to IEEE, okay, IEEE Explore. Okay, you know how the structure. I believe this is your final year. You already have a lot of writing experience before, so you have the idea how the sequence of how the thread and how the flow of the paper is going to be. Okay, let's discuss with the topics. Okay, the rules and regulation of this thing is very simple. Okay, we have like 8 topics. Okay, and then we have about 13 groups. So each topic on only 2 groups allowed to choose. All right. So I want you to register. Okay, what topic that you want to choose, what group number inside this Google Doc. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one. Okay, when you go uh, to this link, okay, I already attached in the document. So you need to write just a group number. Okay, just the group number because your group, okay, is being organized like this. Okay, just write what number. Okay, 1, 2, 3 until 13. Okay, so this one, okay, please don't have an overlap. Okay, please don't have an overlap of this, and then discuss with your classmate. Okay, I believe, I hope that there is no issues or problem with this choosing of the topics. Okay, and then let's see the topics. Okay, we have 8 topics: a software development process in industry perspective, and then we have a trend in web development. Okay, number 2 is quite interesting, and the artificial intelligence, the information technology. Okay, Alexa. Okay, career in IT, a web designer, and the last discussion is about UI UX. Okay, you're going to find all of this for your assignment. I believe you already know what is the UI and what is the UX. Right, that's the topics. And then, okay, format, you need to use IEEE format. Okay, let's see what is this. Okay, so this is the format that you need to use. Template, we're using the Microsoft Word. Uh, it's not latex. Okay, choose A4. Okay, if you use the US letter, this is the different size. Okay, okay, you download and then follow the format. If you go to IEEE Explore, uh, that is the kind of format that you want to use. We have these 2 column for each pages. I believe also you need to do an abstract. I forgot to put it there. Okay. Um, All right. The requirement is you need to have at least 8 references. If you have 4 students in your group, so each of you will review 2 papers. But before you compile your works, you need to discuss how to write this. And all reference must be published between 2016 to this year. So that means I need you to find the latest information on this web technology or based on topics that are given for. And the last one, of course, you need to turn it in. Okay, this is I will give the class ID later on, and once you finish, okay, you need to provide the turn in report and then give to enclose with your submission in author. So the deadline is 28 April. Okay, before or on 28 April, there is a time limited, a time limitation before I believe before 11:59 p.m. So you just submit a PDF or Words document to author and also attach with the turn in report. Okay, that's the activity for lab 1. Okay, and also together with the assignment 1. Okay, if you have any question or doubt, please contact me, and then we're going to discuss on that matter. All right, that's all. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.